Nutrients for a healthy immune system. Chiara Duilio, biologist.
Hello everybody and welcome to Spezierie Palazzo Vecchio. Today we will talk about the immune system and how to support it to avoid any disorder associated with low immune defenses. Supporting the full efficiency of the immune system is essential to protect health at any age and under any circumstances. To do this, it is essential to follow a healthy and balanced diet first. In fact, without adequate nutrition, the immune system is clearly devoid of the components necessary to generate an effective immune response. Therefore, an adequate intake of vitamins, minerals, and also antioxidants seems to be essential for an efficient function of the immune system. In specific cases, for example in the change of seasons or in the periods in which we are more exposed to external harmful agents, it is advisable to use active ingredients that can help us counteract the action of pathogens that weaken our body. In these cases are very useful natural antibiotics such as propolis or echinacea, which is able to stimulate the cells of the immune system. Let's see now what are the supplements that contain them. Let's go to the syndrome menu, in this case weak immune system, where the notions I have just summarized are all reported. Below, there are all the supplements useful for this syndrome, such as the InfoBlock, which contains, among its ingredients, the natural antibiotic propolis and the natural immune stimulant echinacea. An integration can also be useful after a flu or illness for which it was necessary to take antibiotics that weakened the body and temporarily destabilized the intestinal flora. In the latter case, the intake of probiotics, with proven beneficial effects on the gastrointestinal balance and on the immune system, can also be useful. In fact, among the supplements, we find the probiotic lactobacillina. It is called lactobacillina because it contains 3 billion Lactobacillus acidophilus. As I said before, the maintenance of an efficient immune system is promoted by a basic and continuous intake of the right amount of nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. And one of the useful supplements in this sense is Tutto in Uno. Tutto in Uno is a multivitamin and multimineral complex, and it has got two important features that make it different from other supplements. First of all the nutrients of this product are in oligo form. It means that they are all in low dosages, so as to be easily assimilated and not to give problems of accumulation on the liver. The second feature, if we take a look on the amount per serving, is that the number of these nutrients is very high. Therefore, Tutto in Uno is not designed to integrate only a small number of nutrients, but to support the body in general. Also, the nutritional contributions for each of its components are very relevant, compatibly with the oligo dosage I mentioned earlier. Let's see the active ingredients. For example, we can see that there are a lot of vitamins. Vitamins like vitamin A, B12, C, D, the folic acid, and the minerals like iron, zinc, copper, and selenium work in synergy to support the activity of the cells of the immune system. Furthermore, studies show that all these micronutrients play a role in antibody production. Not only that, vitamins, especially those of group B, are very important to reduce the feeling of tiredness and fatigue, since they actively participate in the reaction that nutrients undergo to be transformed into energy. For the same reasons, the importance of proteins should not be underestimated. In the supplements, two protein sources, obviously of vegetable origin, have been introduced, namely the soya and the spirulina algae. About the soya, or soy, if you go to see in detail, we see that it is a very complete food. In fact, soybean seeds contain 37% dry weight protein, as well as vitamins itself, like vitamin A, B1, B2, D, E, and also minerals. In immune cells, antioxidants play a fundamental role because they are able to protect them from oxidative stress and therefore preserve their function. This is why the cells of the immune system contain a higher concentration of antioxidants than other cells in the body. 6 of the main active ingredients that are also the main active antioxidant are found in the Immuno 6 supplement or Immunosei. You will wonder why exactly 6? Well, because science tells us that there are various types of free radicals and each antioxidant is able to perform its contrast action on a few specific ones. For this reason, it is necessary that the supply of exogenous antioxidants is as varied as possible. If present, the plant extracts present in the antioxidant supplement must be standardized in the active ingredients that characterize the product. It means that just as drugs do not perform any therapeutic action if taken in too low doses, antioxidant supplements also need sufficient and constant concentration to produce the desired benefit. Let's see in detail now what are these 6 active ingredients. We have resveratrol with 98% titrated polyphenols, turmeric, which is very famous for his anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action, pomegranate, which is antioxidant and also anti-atherosclerosis because it reduces the formation of plaques in carotids, the red tomato pigment lycopene, titrated at 6% of carotenoids, the rhodiola rosea, titrated at 3% in rosavine, and the most famous antioxidant active ingredients, which is coenzyme Q10,